Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We upload practice questions, tutorials and events. Recently, we have uploaded the best tutorial on en-quire in Hindi. Do check it out once. Let us look at the solution of question ID P362809. Given a time in 12 hours, that is AM-PM format, convert it to military, that is 24-hour format. Take a string as an input. The note states that 12 in AM on a 12-hour clock is 00 on a 24-hour clock, and 12 hours in PM on a 12-hour clock is 12:00 on a 24-hour clock. The sample input is 7 hours, 5 minutes and 45 seconds in PM, and the expected output must be 19 hours, 5 minutes and 45 seconds, that is in the military or the 24-hour format. Let us look at the approach to our question. Our input shall be in the form of a string wherein HH stands for hours, MM stands for minutes and SS stands for seconds. We shall assume X to be TT, which states whether the string is in AM or PM format, and Y shall be our hours. Moving forward, X can be either equal to AM or it can be either in the PM format. When X is equal to AM, Y can either be 12 or not equal to 12. If Y is equal to 12, then we shall assign Y to be 0, since X is in AM format. And if Y is not equal to 12, then no changes are to be made. Similarly, when X will be equal to PM and Y being 12, then no changes are to be made. And if Y is not equal to 12, then we shall assign Y to be Y plus 12. Let us look at our sample input, which was 7 hours, 5 minutes and 45 seconds in PM. We have done the indexing to our string. X, as you know, will be equal to PM, and here provided that Y is equal to 07 hours, that is Y is not equal to 12. So our hours in the 24-hour format will be 7 plus 12, which is equal to 19. So converting the 12-hour format into this 24-hour format, that is the military format, our output will be 19 hours, 5 minutes and 45 seconds. The next input shall be 12 hours, 59 minutes and 38 seconds in AM. Again, we have done the indexing to our string. As you can see, X will be equal to AM and Y is given as 12, that is 12 hours. So hours in our 24-hour format will be 00. Thus, the output will be 59 minutes 38 seconds in the 24-hour format, that is the military format. With this, we come to the end of our solution. Do follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.